In my experience, many of our students come in with passion, and they're really seeking ways to really bring that into the world in ways that are effective, in ways that can address some of the deep suffering and imbalance in our world today.
The program is for students who wish to help people change their lives for the better. So it is students who are drawn to learn deeply the behavior change models, the health coaching psychology models. They want to learn the entire health landscape and where they can fit in, either as solo practitioners and health coaches, or maybe working within wellness recreation centers, wellness departments of corporations. They can also have careers at digital platforms, where many of our students wind up being leaders as health coaches, actually helping design programs that help people improve health and wellness.
We know that we can't extract health from one's social position, our culture, or the ecosystems that sustain us. And so our students go beyond certificate-only programs to really broaden their scope of practice and expertise in the field. Just take a look around at your peers. These people are really essential to your success in this program. These students often transform in that they learn to articulate what it is that can really promote transformative practices into the world in a way that is relevant to health behavior change. And they also really learn how to sit with another person who's expressing their difficulty, their hopes, their dreams, and to hold space without fixing, without feeling like they need to support, but to be there as a resource and a guide for those individuals on their own health journey.
This degree has a very lofty aim and mission. Health coaches have the largest task because they have to address lifestyle change and behavior change, all these kind of life-saving measures for the vast majority of individuals. So it's a Herculean task. You might as well pick a school that really recognizes that and prepares you well.